Hey Valerie, what are we doing today?
Cutting our hair.
What are we doing today, Vivian?
Cutting my hair and Valerie.
Hi guys! Today we're going to do something really special. We have
Valerie.
and
Vivian.
so what are we doing, girls?
Cutting our hair.
Why are you cutting your hair?
To donate it to the cancer kids.
This is how long the girls' hair is. They probably haven't cut their hair for about almost 2 years. So they're growing it. We're gonna cut it quite short today. So we're gonna film this little journey because they haven't had short hair for a really, really long time. So let's do this. So Valerie's donating about 40 centimeters worth of hair. So now it's Vivian's turn. I don't know whose hair is longer, so we'll wait and see. So Vivian will be donating about 38 centimeters. Alright, so that's a wrap up. This is the girls' hair. This is how short their hair is now, nice and short, easy for school now. So I'll be searching up the charity site to be donating these hairs from the girls. Thank you, please like and subscribe and share the video. And if you have young girls that are willing to do so, yes, please do it. It is for a good cause and their hair will grow back in no time. So by next summer, these girls' hair will be long again. So we'll try to grow it for about another 2 years and then we'll probably do it again, girls?
Yeah.
Bye!